Hey there, glasses wearers. Ever wonder why your glasses still look hazy even after a wipe? It turns out the key to crystal clear vision is found in using the right tools and the right cleaning method for the right mess. In this video, we'll cover all the essential tools and the very best cleaning methods. We're also going to dive into some bonus tips and tricks so you can see the world with crystal clear vision every single day. Let's get those lenses shining. The must-have tools for sparkling glasses. The essential microfiber cloth, or pouch. This cloth is specially designed for your delicate lenses, with tiny fibers that grab dust, smudges, and fingerprints without leaving lint or scratches. Always ensure your cloth is clean and dust-free, as a dirty one can act like sandpaper. Many glasses even come with a soft microfiber pouch that protects your glasses and can also be used for cleaning them, and caring for it is just like caring for your microfiber cloth. Specialized glasses cleaning liquid spray. For stubborn grime and a deeper clean, a high-quality glasses cleaning liquid spray is indispensable. These sprays are formulated to be super gentle on your lens coatings and frame materials, effectively breaking down oils and smudges without streaks. Always pick products specifically for eyewear, looking for labels that say they're safe for anti-reflective coated lenses, are alcohol-free, and designed for optical use. Soft, lint-free paper towels. While not for everyday glasses cleaning, paper towels can be surprisingly handy for specific situations, like removing that montage coating on new lenses. Just be sure to use only very soft, lint-free types so you don't leave fibers behind or accidentally scratch your lenses. Gentle, lotion-free mild soap. For a truly deep clean, especially when your glasses are really soiled with makeup residue or after outdoor adventures, a tiny drop of mild, lotion-free hand or dish soap can work wonders. The lotion-free part is key here, as lotions can leave a filmy residue on your lenses. Lukewarm running water, or a dedicated bowl. Lukewarm running water is your best friend for rinsing off any loose debris before you start cleaning, and for thoroughly washing away soap residue after a deep clean. If you don't have running water available, a bowl of lukewarm water works just as well. Just make sure it's big enough to prevent any accidental bumps. Remember to avoid hot water, as it can actually damage your lens coatings and frame materials. The best methods for cleaning your glasses. First method, using only a microfiber cloth. This method is fantastic for quick touch-ups. Think light smudges, a little dust, or fingerprints when liquid isn't needed. Just breathe a gentle mist onto your lenses. Then, holding your glasses firmly by the frame, use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to wipe outwards in circular motions from the center of the lens. Keep that pressure light. Repeat for the other side, and give your frame and nose pads a quick clean too. The process is the same also with the microfiber pouch. Second method, using a microfiber cloth together with a cleaning liquid spray. Got stubborn smudges or need a deeper clean? This is your go-to. Give each lens 1 or 2 squirts of solution, ensuring good coverage. Now with a clean microfiber cloth, gently wipe both sides of each lens in soft circular motions, hitting those edges and corners. Lightly dampen a corner of your cloth to wipe down the frame, temples, and nose pads. If any streaks remain, just use a dry, clean section of the cloth to buff them away for crystal clear vision. Third method, cleaning with water and soap. For seriously soiled glasses, like after outdoor adventures or with makeup residue, or for a periodic deep clean, this method is a must. First, rinse your glasses under lukewarm tap water to get rid of any loose bits. Then, a tiny drop of mild lotion-free dish soap on each lens is all you need. Gently rub the soap onto both sides of your lenses and all parts of the frame with your fingertips. Afterwards, rinse thoroughly under lukewarm running water until all the soap is gone. Gently shake off excess water, then grab a clean, lint-free cotton, soft paper towel, or a fresh microfiber cloth to gently pat or dab your lenses and frame dry. This prevents water spots and keeps them looking their best. Microfiber cloth maintenance. To keep your microfiber cloth working its magic and protecting your glasses, regular weekly or bi-weekly washing is essential. Hand wash with mild soap or machine wash in cool water with similar items, and do not use fabric softener. Air dry or tumble dry on low heat, and do not use dryer sheets. Also, store your clean cloth in a protected spot like your glasses case to prevent it picking up dust or grit that could scratch your lenses. You'll know it's time for a new cloth when it starts leaving streaks, feels rough, or looks worn. A fresh one ensures your glasses are always perfectly clean. Bonus tips. Why skip clothing and regular paper products for glasses cleaning? You might be tempted to just grab your shirt or a regular paper towel for a quick wipe. But heads up, Clothing can make your glasses dirtier, and both can cause tiny scratches over time. Clothing fibers and regular paper towels are often rough, and clothing can pick up dust and grime that can soil your glasses even more, and also act like sandpaper on your delicate lenses. Stick to your microfiber cloth to avoid accidentally scratching your glasses. What is and how to remove montage coating on new glasses? Sometimes, when you get a brand new pair of glasses, the lenses might have a tiny, almost invisible layer on them called a montage coating. This is perfectly normal and helps with the lens fitting process. If your new lenses look a little hazy or dirty even after a good clean, don't worry. This coating is likely the culprit, and it's super easy to remove yourself. Just grab a clean, dry, soft paper towel. Gently but firmly rub both sides of each lens. You'll probably feel a slight drag at first, but as the coating comes off, the paper towel will glide smoothly. Voila! Your vision will be crystal clear in no time. Ultrasonic cleaner caution. Ultrasonic glasses cleaners are fantastic for new glasses, but for your older, well-loved specs, a friendly word of warning. The vibrations can sometimes make tiny cracks worse, loosen enamels or glued decorations, and even cause lens coatings to peel. For those cherished pairs, a gentler cleaning method is usually the safer choice. Alright, amazing job getting your glasses sparkling clean. We hope these tips on essential tools and best cleaning methods help you enjoy crystal clear vision every single day. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more great tips. Thanks for watching, and keep those lenses shining.